Okay, so this is one of the bonus problems. They're in the book. They're just under like you try it 1 or you try it 2 or something. They're numbered. I just called it bonus A. But it's just another example. I know sometimes when we have the examples in the book and then you go to the homework, it's like, well, we didn't have one like that. So I thought this was a good section to try to put in more examples. All of them are going to be different because every verification is going to involve a different identity. Okay. All right, but this shows some more stuff. Okay, so I look at my equation. It looks like the left-hand side is more complicated. And you might say, hey, the left-hand side was more complicated last time. Yeah, it just depends on how they give it to us. They don't have to write it that way. I think that usually their left side seems to be more complicated on these, but it doesn't have to be that way. All right, so I've got a bunch of stuff on the left-hand side. I've got a cosecant, a cosine, a tangent. Anyway, it's supposed to all turn out to be just 1, okay? So I'm looking for things to cancel. And right now, I don't see anything canceling. If I want to get a 1, I'm looking for, something over something to equal 1, all right? So what I can do is I can write cosecant theta as 1 over sine theta. That's a reciprocal identity. So the idea, and you don't have to do this on your paper, I'm just showing you what the idea is, the identities that I'm using, okay? I know that cosecant theta is equal to 1 over sine theta. Now, I look at cosine theta. There's not a lot I can do with a cosine theta, so I'm just going to leave it. And then I'm looking at tangent theta. Well, I don't really want a tangent theta in there. I'd like it in terms of sine and cosine. So I'm going to use that quotient identity that we used before. That's a really popular identity to use. And so you get sine theta over cosine theta. Okay, well, the magic of algebra. Sine theta is going to cancel with sine theta, cosine theta is going to cancel with cosine theta, and so we are in fact going to get just 1, and we're done.